So we just witnessed something wild take place in the Cardano ecosystem, the size of which we have not seen since March. And we all know what happened back in March. Does this mean that we are about to witness this massive growth phase when it comes to Cardano? I'm Luckside. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to discuss this and if we are about to go through a Solana level growth surge. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Let's go ahead and get into it. So right away, out of the gate, over the last 2 days, Cardano has witnessed a new level of adoption and a new level of activity within the Cardano blockchain. And this is incredibly interesting, guys. So just on Thursday, we actually saw 31,000 new addresses entering the Cardano space. That is the highest inflow surge we have actually seen since we went on our massive boom, up towards 81 cents. So there's actually a heightened level of adoption when it comes to Cardano right now. And this is very different from the average that we've been seeing between 5,000 to 7,000 new addresses per day. So you're talking about a growth of about 300%. That is a significant surge, right? Now, not only that, but activity got booming. 52,000 active addresses on Thursday as well. We have not seen that many active addresses since back in March. So what's actually taking place? Well, Cardano ecosystem is booming. Development is high. Remember, Cardano remains one of the most dominant blockchains in all of crypto when it comes to development. This has been the case for a while. Even now that we've gone through a little bit of retracement, even yesterday, still 11,000 new active new addresses. We saw 39,000 daily active addresses. So we're in a little bit of an uptick right now when it comes to Cardano activity in general. And actually, when we look at this new adoption rate, you guys can see that we've actually surged to 34% of the transactions taking place in the Cardano network are from new users. So right now we're going through a little bit of a bump here. And does this mean that we're going to go through some Solana level growth? When we take a look at what happened in Solana during the early part of the bull market cycle, there was about 80,000 daily active addresses or so. Oh, there you guys go. And then it just went on a massive boom. Why was this? Well, sentiment was high. Development was key, right? There was a lot of good things that were popping in the space. And all these things have really been here for Cardano. A lot of people have dogged Cardano about this for a while. They say, oh, there's not many daily active users. There's not much activity taking place. And it baffles me that people look at this as a detriment. And why I say this is there's only one way to go from there, and that's up, right? Regardless of whether you do some advertising, whether you introduce a stable coin or something like that, you know, that is where there's a huge opportunity. There's a huge growth phase ahead for Cardano, whether it's in the near term, whether it's down the road, whatever it may be. And small little changes are things that can frankly send it rocketing. Because guess what? Things that have slowed down some of these other chains when it comes to adoption before, gas fees, failed transactions, downtime, things like that, right? We don't have those problems in Cardano. So when you marry good tech with the people, you have a boom. You have an ecosystem boom. And it looks like right now we may be on the verge of this boom. Now, there's no guarantees. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But there's going to be a moment where it clicks, where you start to see some Cardano native assets begin to take off. And guess what? When those things take off, it creates FOMO. It creates more activity, more users, more development. The snowball starts rolling downhill and things can get pretty wild pretty fast. All right. Now, again, this isn't a guarantee or anything like that, but we've seen all the signs, right? We saw back in 2023, the surge in TVL. We've seen huge development growth, the partnerships, right? And now here in 2024, even as prices lagged, we have been setting a good floor when it comes to a lot of these things, the users, the development, the activity. Okay. So I want everybody to be prepared and look at this from a more fundamental aspect. When those things do change, when the flip is switched, it's going to be like a runaway train. All right. Again, as always, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, but I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Again, if you guys haven't already, feel free to check out Margex. The link is in the description below. Again, earn your portion or earn your up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. My long position, guys, is still open right now. It's down about 15% right now. We've kind of been dealing with a lot of this chop, just down to the close to 31 cent range, bounce back up. ADA has been resilient, like I talked about in my earlier video today. Things are looking very good for Cardano right now. We're well positioned for this next big boom in the crypto market. And this is one where ADA and Cardano should perform extremely well. So appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.